How to log in Suncorp Bank Mobile App. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Suncorp Bank application on your device, and if you do not have the application, you can easily download the application from your App Store or your Play Store. Once you have opened your Suncorp application, you will be led to the login portal of Suncorp. So, in order to log in, simply enter your login credentials, that is, your email associated with Suncorp Bank and your password. Once entered, tap on the login button, and if the login credentials that you entered is correct, then you will be successfully logged into Suncorp Bank. And if you have forgotten your password, then you can tap on the Forgot Password option and follow the on-screen prompts and recover your password and log in further to Suncorp. And if you have not yet created an account, then you can tap on the Get Started option and create yourself a Suncorp Bank account. So, this is how you can log into Suncorp Bank Mobile App. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.